You're watching Toltec TV, a weekly broadcast used to spread the excitement of engineering and the values of the first robotics competition.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Toltec podcast, week 4 building season. And remember, every time we're in the shop here at the Edgewood Academy, we got to have our safety first. I'm going to introduce Ray here, and he's going to talk about new improvements on the robot.
We went with the 4 pneumatics following the first rules. We went with the 4 storage containers that we could store up to 120 PSI with the 1 compressor, using the 4 pneumatics, using actually 2 pneumatics with this new system right here is a ball carrier. That's new on the robot. Go ahead, John.
We're using this folding pneumatic ball carrier because we can't go past 5 feet on our robot in lengthwise and width, and so what we're doing is having this so that we have stay in the boundaries of the rules, but after the match starts we can reach to about any distance we need to. So we're going to go ahead and take it upstairs to our robotics animation lab, because here we don't just build robots, we do other things, and so we're going to take it up to Ram in the shop in the animation lab. Thank you.
Thanks, John. As you may or might not know, this year's topic is design and invention for your community. And here at Toltecs, we care very much about the community, you know. As you can see, we won these 2 trophies. You know, I don't mean to brag, but, you know, 2-time champions. Well, not champions, 2-time winners. But yeah, it's week 4. We already got our storyboard done, and most of the animation is already done. Now, a few tips on the animation. Less faces equals shorter rendering time. Shorter rendering time equals faster animation. Alright, well, I don't want to give too much away about our animation, but we came up with this device that it's about some sort of mass air filtration system, and we're going to use our number 1 character, Sparky. I don't know if you can see him or not. He's our sort of mascot for the team, but you know. Thanks for joining me here in the lab. This is Ram. Back to you, John and Ray.
Okay. And that's this week's podcast. This is Toltecs Robotics in the shop. We'll see you next week. I'm Jonathan Martinez.
I'm Ray Carrillo.
Thank you.
You've been watching Toltec TV. For more information, visit us on the web at toltecs.com.